Thanks for coming over.
Well, I have always been interested in ophthalmology as a medical officer when I did my first eye posting in Changi General Hospital. I quite liked it because the eye, however so small, yet it's so fascinating because there's so many possible conditions related to the eye. Throughout the years, because of this improving technology, this has actually kept me motivated to learn more. So as a woman, I'm a mother to my children, a wife to my husband, as well as a daughter to my parents. Being an only child makes it more difficult, and the only way to face my challenges along the way was to be able to prioritize which one's more important at that point in time, as well as to be able to compartmentalize work and family. After 6 p.m. when we reach home, I would make a conscious attempt not to refer to emails, not to look at my texts, my work texts, but to focus more on coaching my kids. My hobbies-wise, before I had children, I actually did flower arrangement, Zumba classes, and I joined a gym. But with my children getting older, I find that I have a more sedentary hobby, which is reading, as well as watching Netflix and Apple TV+. When I first started out, Dr. Daniel Su was my registrar, and he was one of the main factors why I decided to join Singapore National Eye Centre. He was very dedicated in teaching me. As I got older, Professor Chi Soon Peik was my mentor, and she is a very brilliant surgeon. And most recently, Dr. Alan Fong was my mentor and my friend, and I learned a lot from him as well. So what I find most rewarding about teaching the younger doctors is that it's fascinating to see them from a young doctor blossom into a competent senior doctor. And I've seen many of the people that are taught now, senior consultants, and how they flourish in their fields, and that is rewarding to me. So cataract surgery has come a long way from when we first took out the cataract through a very large incision to now a very small incision of up to even 1.8 millimeters. Over the last decade, we have the invention of femtosecond laser technology that has helped us to deal with denser cataracts and more complex cataracts. We are still in a constant search for the best miracle intraocular lens implant to try to replace our natural lens. Well, I think vision is very important to all of us, and to be able to help somebody see better, a simple thank you from the patients really touches my heart. My advice for younger women who want to start a family at the same time continue working, it's important to get good family support, be it from your in-laws or your parents. And so if I were to go back to the past, Well, I would tell my 22-year-old self to continue working hard and to achieve your goals and your dreams, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.